Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add thumbnail in your video. So the last video you guys see how to add title and description in your video, but this video I'm going to show you how you can use thumbnail, and in future I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnail for your YouTube video. So for this we need to scroll down a little bit. You can see this is title, description, and then here is thumbnail. We can choose our default one. You can see it's changed, but it's not best for our video. You need to create customized thumbnail in your video. I already create one, and now I'm going to upload this in my video. So you can see if your channel is new channel, then it's show me to verify my phone number. So later I'm going to show you how you can verify your phone number. Now I'm go another channel and I'm show you how you can add thumbnail in your video. From here you see the upload thumbnail option is enabled. You can see the upload thumbnail. I'm going to click on this. Now this time my phone verification is not required because I already enable phone verification in my channel. Then we need to select this thumbnail and simply click on OK. So that's how you can easily add your thumbnail in your video. So guys, see you in next videos.